Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you have a Hyundai Sonata and you're trying to guys actually remove or replace ignition coil because you have bad ignition coil, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that on a 4-cylinder 2.4 cylinder engine, but even if you have a different 4-cylinder engine, the procedure will be practically the same. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So this is guys, right here you can see 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we'll be working on. Now we will explain how to remove and replace ignition coils. Again, if you need to buy some, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for the parts. So right here that engine cover needs to come out guys. How that works, you have 4 rubber bushings that keep it down, so grab with 2 hands firmly and pull it out. Now sometimes it may be really stuck. Ours we clean and lubricate it a little bit so it can come out easier for all the repairs that we'll be doing here to show you how to do things. So now you guys have 4 ignition coils. Check it out, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because it's a 4-cylinder engine guys. So cylinder number 1 is on the very left side of the engine guys, cylinder number 1. Okay, so you have 1 right here, then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how they go. So if you have an ignition coil for cylinder number 1 that's actually bad guys, it's that ignition coil here. If you have cylinder number 2, it's this coil, 3 and 4 respectively here. So the only thing holding the coil now, let's go ahead and first remove the wiring harness. Okay, you can see you have a safety pin here that you need to release. Okay, that gray thing needs to be slide out. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead, press right here, and remove the coil. You can see how it releases the tooth. 10mm socket now, and we need to go ahead and remove that bolt. Hyundai guys likes to use that 10, 12 and 14 and 17mm sockets. Those are some of the only tools that you'll be using on that engine. I love those things. The way they're designed, easy to work on. We'll have videos how to take the whole engine apart, rebuild it guys, because that's a weak spot on those. And this is your ignition coil. That's how you guys remove it. You can see Hyundai ignition coil. It's actually Hyundai Kia coil because the same engine has been used in Kias as well. So putting it together, from that point on, everything is exactly in reverse order that we took it apart. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.